A 1 meter wide rectangular channel has a bed slope of 0.0016 and Manning's roughness coefficient is 0.04. Uniform flow takes place in the channel at a flow depth of 0.5. Uniform flow takes place in the channel at a flow depth of 0.5. At a particular section, gradually varied flow is observed and the flow depth is measured as 0.6. The gradually varied profile at this section is classified as S1, S2, M1, M2. In that 4 options A, B, C, D, we are supposed to select one. So for this, you know Q is equal to A into V. A into V. First I have to decide whether it is mild slope or steep slope. So Q is equal to area B into Y. B is 1 meter wide rectangular channel here is given. Now Y, what is that Y? That is normal depth of flow Yn. Normal depth of flow Yn. There are two depths. One is 0.5, another one is 0.6. Which one to take? The correct is 0.5. Why? Because that is related to your uniform flow condition. Yn is 0.5 into 1 by N. N value is 0.04 given. R value, it is rectangular channel. Hence A by P. A is 1 into 0.5 divided by perimeter is 1 plus 2 times 0.5 whole to the power 2 by 3 into S value square root of 0.0016. Yes. If you solve this, so you will get Q value. My obtained Q value is 0.198 meter cube per second. 0.198 meter cube per second. So now you know how to find out Yc. Yc is equal to Q square by G whole to the power 1 by 3. This is for your rectangular channel. So Q square, capital Q is 0.198, small q is nothing but capital Q by B. Capital Q is 0.198, B is 1 here, and small q will also be equal to 0.198. So if you solve this, my obtained Yc value is 0.159. Now if you see these values, so your Yn is equal to 0.5, Yc is equal to 0.159. What I can conclude is Yn is more than Yc. If Yn is more than Yc, we call it as mild slope. Mild slope already decided, hence option A and B are wrong. Now whether it is C or D, mild slope, uniform flow, that is a depth of 0.5 meter, gradually varied flow, the flow is here 0.6 meter. So depth of flow now is Y is equal to 0.6. What is the relation between these three things? If you know that one also, you can answer. Y is more than Yn, which is more than Yc. Based on this also, you can directly conclude, by seeing this figure also you can conclude there is a rising profile here. So M1 curve is a rising profile, whereas M2, whatever the fourth option is there, that is a falling profile. Hence, as this is a rising profile, the correct answer is M1. Or based on this relation also, you can conclude that as M1. Option C is correct.